Understanding the crypto gold rush. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: the crypto gold rush. This phrase might sound complex at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. Understanding this concept will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also give you insight into a significant modern-day phenomenon. Firstly, let's understand what a gold rush is. Historically, a gold rush refers to a period when a large number of people rush to a place where gold has been discovered. It's not just about the quest for gold. It symbolizes a chase for wealth and opportunity. Throughout history, gold rushes have led to the rapid growth of new areas, as people move there hoping to become rich quickly. Now, let's talk about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security and operate independently of a central bank. The most well-known example is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, each with its unique features and value. Cryptocurrencies have become popular because they offer a new way of thinking about money, privacy, and the decentralization of financial systems. When we combine these concepts, the crypto gold rush refers to the modern-day frenzy surrounding cryptocurrencies. It's a period marked by a surge in interest and investment in cryptocurrencies, with people around the world buying into them in hopes of massive returns. Like the gold rushes of the past, this crypto boom has seen rapid developments in technology, the emergence of new markets, and significant changes in the financial landscape. Understanding the crypto gold rush is crucial because it represents a significant shift in how people view and manage wealth. It's not just about the potential financial gains. It's about the larger movement towards digital currencies and the decentralization of financial power. This concept is at the forefront of discussions about the future of money and investment. And that's a wrap on the crypto gold rush. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating topic and expanded your understanding of both the English language and the world of cryptocurrencies. Remember, learning is a journey, and every new phrase or concept you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.